Want to know how to view your personal messages or your DMs in Guru.com? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, let's simply open up your Guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding Guru.com, so make sure to watch it. It's on our channel. So once you're here, in order to see your direct messages or private messages, it's super simple. On the top left side, you should be seeing various options right here. And right beside notification, you should also be seeing this small chat box icon. So you can just simply select that. And here, you can see your messages popping up. So if you need more screen, just simply select view all messages. And all of your messages should be popping up in an instant just like this right here. And that's it. You can also check your archived, inbox, outbox messages that you have gotten or sent. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of the similar Guru.com videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.